Dzień dobry, hola, ¿cómo está? So we sending you welcome from Spain, Malaga, Spain, Malaga, Marbella, Spain. So today we are in Marbella, Malaga, yeah, something like Andalusia actually in general. And it's very nice, warm, sunny weather, and today is about 19 degrees.
Already?
Already.
Check this out, I will show you. This is the proof, it's 19 degree. 19. And it's very beautiful.
We are staying in our friend's house here in Malaga, and look at the weather here, green everywhere. Meanwhile, back in Poland, it's still gray.
Yeah, it's still there. And people playing golf, you can see actually.
Yes,
from
that's
this
the golf course actually over there. That's the golf area, and it's nice, very nice.
Very nice, isn't it? Enjoying the sun?
Nice.
Meanwhile in Poland it's very bad weather today.
Nice.
Yo, what's up?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué tal? So on and so on. We are in Spain.
Especially we are in Malaga, and yes, we will be a week in Spain. It's like winter escape from Poland.
Winter escape from Poland. And today we're going to Malaga. We are in Malaga, Marbella, Cartagena, Alicante, Benidorm, Valencia. So quite a lot of driving and exploration. And it's just 26th of January. Today is my wife's birthday. Happy birthday for her. And also on the top of it is 22 degrees. While in Poland it's -3. So it's nice.
So yeah, we will stroll around Malaga. For those of you who never been to Spain, especially the area coastal side of the Mediterranean. So yeah, so today we will stroll around, show you how it is. And it's 12 already, you know, live music
Life is going
everywhere.
on.
It's just like, it's nice.
Okay,
I like
we
it.
will show. So this is the Spanish flag, just in case if you somehow didn't catch up. I don't know. Let's
So
go.
here is the Puerto de Malaga. I know that some of my friends who are Balinese work in cruise ship, and then if the cruise ship actually docking in Malaga, and look at this. This is where so many cruise ship here.
Yeah, correct.
And here is the promenade. So
One of the main promenades. Few of them. Okay, let's go. So casually strolling. It's just 1 o'clock. Actually, Monday, just regular day, 26th of January. Nothing, no summer, no, already buskers and everything.
Spanish guy is so cool.
Of course. So cool.
Spain, you really stole my heart.
So you like it, right? So now you know why it's actually so popular
When is the
destination.
best time to come to Spain? In January.
Well, if you don't like heat, because if you like heat, of course, summer, July, but still very
It's
nice. It's nice.
I already wear my kind of a spring, spring summer already.
It's definitely very nice change for the cold Poland compared to the Spain. One thing what is very cool is that's the palm trees with the restaurants. That's the vibe what you actually very like it.
Yes, and I really like the vibe with the, you know, kind of the water.
Yeah.
There's Mediterranean Sea, and then it's nice. It's nice to have a, you know, like a break.
Just like
for
the vibe like
week.
this.
Yes, I
Yes,
like
you are
it.
exotic girl, so
I like it. And the palm trees
And
instead
everyone-
of coconut trees.
many people like it anyway. Palm trees and coconut trees, that's the different thing, as you can see over here. It's not the same. So that's the palm trees. We came to Spain to see. Oh, look at the bird.
Birds.
The bird is actually, check this out. Where are you, buddy?
There, which is the parking.
Where?
Tam.
Oh my god. It flew away actually.
Hanya sobat, there is a pomerancha orange tree.
Tata,
They grow like freely here.
they go free. I'm looking for the birds actually where they are. But it's totally different. Fine, but that's the decoration, yeah? Don't eat.
Can we pick up and eat?
No.
When?
It's decoration. lah. But they are here actually, growing. Oh, hello buddy. How you doing? How's it going, man?
Nice, they live really freely here.
No.
Nice.
No.
is actually there are many day trip for the boat, right? Kahanya just like this. If you wanna catch sunset, something like that. They also have a catamaran, and yes, that's the big cruise ship boat.
This one going to different island, I think.
I think.
That's like not the cruise ship like for the tourism, but this one is for the, you go by car to I don't know where.
And then there are
Maybe
so
Morocco.
many, a shop there on the promenade.
So there is Hard Rock, Malaga, and so many restaurants and the bars and the places to chill. Also the apartments in the background. That's the regular Spanish view, technically speaking. Most of the cities on the Mediterranean seas look like this one. So it's pretty cool, pretty cool. So there are oranges growing as the decoration. That's it. Can be windy actually sometimes. The only thing is can be windy, but it's still warm. Is that? And that's the wooden color.
Nice.
Nice, isn't it? And then you have an official Real Madrid shop next to FC Barcelona. But the Spanish people love football. So that's the promenade. There's some nice yacht. Actually pretty nice. And some nice restaurants and everything. So nice, isn't it, Sam?
Right, a nice promenade, people walking, enjoying time. I think that, when you walk here, nobody calling you to come to the restaurant. It's just like simply you have your own time on the wall and chill.
That's the thing. That's the thing. So that's the pretty nice. Nice, but as you know, and there are ruins of the, not ruins actually, the castle. Here you go, like this one. If you like the stuff, promenade and the cathedral. We park somewhere there, we're gonna go there. I only hope you're not gonna get wind, sayang.
Yeah, it's okay.
At least you work with
Wear my jacket.
We are
So now we are in the
beach area somewhere.
on the beach area. So we'll show you the beach in Malaga.
The Playa de Malagueta. Playa de Malagueta, something like that.
There's so many Polish people here.
Yeah, a lot, everywhere.
No. Kohani,
No,
the palm trees,
no,
the sun,
no,
the Mediterranean sea breeze,
no.
vitamin C. This is what I
No.
need. Let's go.
And the birds squirking everywhere.
Tak, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
So we are in Malagueta.
Malagueta. Malagueta or Malagueta, I don't know. I don't speak Spanish lah.
Yes, so here it is.
First beach in 2026.
Yes, it's not like the very white sand beach, but it's nice for the, sand tools, vitamin C, that's good.
That's good enough lah.
So I was just thinking like, imagine that if it's summer, how packed, how crowded it is, this place.
That's the thing, probably very crowded though. Thank you, brother. From Indonesia and Poland, brother.
Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry, yeah.
My friend of Africa, Senegal. Is it fit?
No, I'm fine. Thank you, brother.
It's nice. Like this one. Oh, look at the bird, the seagull.
Seagull.
Nice.
Remember, sayang, rule number 1, nothing is free in this world.
Even you pee in the toilet.
That's in Germany, actually.
No.
That's the thing. Alright, let's go.
So the thing is that people just chill, sit on the beach, playing a volleyball.
Yeah, the
And
kids
that's-
actually there, they
The
swimming
kids, they
already.
already swim. Oh my god,
That's-
19 degree already swim.
Kinda
It's
crazy actually.
Different level.
Little bit. Let's hear a little bit sound of the Mediterranean Sea. Huh?
The breeze. This is what I need. And one thing is actually there are people actually selling you drinks, selling you sarong, but they are not that pushy. they offer you a margarita, senor, or something
Like the
that.
guy who's coming.
No tag. It's just simply, it's not that so pushy.
Yeah.
It's just like passing by,
Gracias.
mojito or something like that. You know.
Wait, but actually I just realized he's there walk with the bottle of the vodka to make a mojito here.
Not
Totally different but you're not gonna have it in you know, you're not gonna have it everywhere.
nice.
Alright, let's go. That's different part. So we're going now to the city. Let's see how's the other side of the city look like. Not only beach, right? As we will see in many other cities yet.
So yeah, let's explore more.
Let's explore more. So I can see you are in the exploration mode today. Let's go. Alright. That's the nice name of the business, sayang. The real money. That must be the real estate actually.
The thing is that here, what I can see that the city is clean, right? Kohani
Correct.
is on the left and right side. There are not much rubbish or graffiti, but maybe it depends.
Somewhere, yeah, but still nice. Still pretty decent. So actually there is the place where is the castle. I used to drive yesterday actually when we arrived. We used to drive
the
with our
castle
friend.
on the top, right?
Yeah.
Kohani?
No.
There are so many people.
No. There. Alright. This is nice Pekara la behind you.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's have a look la. Maybe we can have some chapai quickly. Nice looking actually. Let's go inside la ka. Stola, happy birthday. Happy birthday sayang.
Dziękuję.
Very casual sayang. Our style. All the best for you.
Dziękuję.
No, smacznego.
There is it's okay.
Well,
It's not the cake.
Later, saya some at home. But the waiters was nice actually.
No, tak. Look at this.
That's right. What is it actually? Well, this is some sort of
Kopi dulu.
cortados.
Cortados.
Enjoy, sayang. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Happy birthday, sayang.
Dziękuję. Okay. So we were in a coffee shop. How much we pay for the 2 pastries, cake, 2 coffee, 2 cortados, tak?
Dos cortados.
Those cortados about 860 euro. Cheaper than in Poland. Oh my God.
Actually, the stuff like this one is pretty. In the countries like this, is pretty cheap. No?
And this is the city park. Actually, that's the Puerto. And here is
Nice
the
palm trees.
of the Zamek, the castle.
Yeah, the castle is there. Alright, alright. Idziemy, chodź. There's the park, but under the, I don't know what they're doing, maintain, but this one is there. So you reckon you like it here, huh?
Yes.
Why my friend?
Cheaper than Horwatsy. And
It's-
this one is like a tourist, tourist spot. And so many people there. And the rule number 1 is where there are so many locals wandering around or something like that, hang out, having a coffee, a siesta or something like that. Let's go.
Let's go.
Covid time.
Alright, we're going to the center a little bit. Wanna have a look of the pomaranche, the orange growing on the street. So we cross the street. Actually, it's something nice here. The alley with this orange trees, but there is no orange already. There is something, I don't know, in this one, and there is the orange trees.
They already pick it up.
Maybe they pick it up because they were probably falling for the people's head.
This that some still left.
No. Here is pretty nice. Gonna show you. Make a little shot.
Oh, that's the orange still some.
Some, yeah. I think they take it off already because they, what is it called? Falling like a coconuts of the people's head.
There's also.
And there's the castle. Okay, we're going. Let's go. Sayang. That's the banana tree actually.
Huge.
No?
Nice. I like it.
We somehow like a childish, excited about everything, like we see everything for the first time. If somebody watching this video for the first time, they never been anywhere. It's just so funny actually.
Look at that
Yeah?
They have a real, no,
No?
uncensored.
No. Long time ago there was normal, sayang. Very normal. That was the art, sayang.
Nice.
Nice, isn't it? Very beautiful. So we came from there. This is like an entrance to the Teatro Romano. Yeah, that's the name.
Oh, this is what the Robert said that there will be like a kind of the theater, no?
Yeah,
There.
yeah.
On top.
And this is the walking street on this side. We go there because I wanna go to the old town, see the small streets little bit,
Aha.
and the orange there. Because when we drive yesterday, actually was so many orange there. We actually drive everywhere yesterday when we were waiting for my rental, but you know. But now it's time to walk. Especially yesterday we explored smaller cities with Marbella. Today Malaga. Tomorrow we already going to other destination.
Alicante, Benidorm,
Yeah, Benidorm.
Cartagena.
We stay actually Benidorm 4 nights, but we're gonna move around everywhere.
Oh, this
So yeah, the ruins. That's the walking street. Some of the sorry for the wind. I didn't bring microphone, but I see the ruin. Yeah.
Oh, look.
Yeah, the ruins. That was the Teatro Romano. This is what left, the ruins. Nice, isn't it? So even it's January, you can see actually quite a lot of people everywhere. To be honest, it's not that quiet as I thought,
Oh my God.
isn't it? It's actually kind of busy like for this time of the year.
And imagine that if it is summer, probably like more and more.
Definitely. So we are walking and walking. We found out actually there is the street with the nice kamienica, which is like a building with this one apartment and everything. So cafes, and you have a cafe, and next to the cafe you have a tree where there are oranges. Nothing particularly special, but funny and special.
I like it.
You like it? Nice. That's the walking street. Very nice actually.
Oh, honey,
Yes.
look at this
The tapas?
restaurant, the tapas.
And the mural?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Nice everywhere. Nice vibe, huh? Sayang, we walk, explore like a proper travelers, not the tourists, and we find out this
What are we
street.
looking for? Street of oranges.
Street of Orange. So you have normally the street like this one, and generally everywhere they are the orange trees, like literally, like this one. Look. Look. So nice. So bad. You go under the tree. Ooh.
I got the bamboo also growing here, huh?
So,
This is the bamboo.
where?
Oh, honey, this.
That's twoje pomarańcze, sayang.
And look at this one, the banana and the bamboo.
Yeah, this one, the flowers, what Winnie know very well. Sayang, let's make a try. You try it. It's so sour. Robert said that he wanna try.
I don't know, maybe they will.
Hey, but
They will gonna put in Punapi, Spain.
hey, but you know my brother Marcin. He actually really tried this one once. It was bitter. Yeah, they are nice, but decoration. Oh, that's the bamboo, sayang.
This is what I told you, bamboo.
Banana,
Banana. Oh my
cactus.
God. That's the banana. Maybe I cut and then we can put some.
Hey, bring to your friend banana leaf.
They will make a tombabi.
So that's the huge walkway with the big road, and somewhere there is the promenade. Red Square can Sayang in the jungle. Look at the Winnie style, like an Asian boss. Wearing my hoodie. So funny, look. And this fat palm trees. This is very popular stuff here. And also tall one. Any kind of.
Right. So that was the Puerto de Malaga, and then we will go down to show you where we park. It's very close and it's very convenient. And this is the fountain behind me. The thing is about the Spain, like every time the fountain works, it means like it's not like in Poland only in summer, but here is every day.
Yeah, and there is the fountain, there is the, I don't know, plaza square. Promenade is underneath, the other side, I mean, not underneath. There is the AC Hotel by Mayor, and then
There is the
Zamek,
park.
and down there is the parking actually.
I'll show you.
Let's go. Woo. Nice. Woo. Nice, refreshing. Then you go down. No, that's actually nice parking lot because you have literally the, what is it called? Fountain, and then you have a parking. We park actually somewhere there. The red car. Okay, but I have to pay for the parking anyways. It's not free. Somewhere there we park. And the parking is somewhere there. The payment.
So we will pay for the parking. This is how it is, kochani.
This is how it is.
No.
I press
English. No,
Probably I put it wrong.
no, tak. No,
I press English.
no. You pay.
580 euro.
580 euro for about 2 hours, 28.
3 hours.
No, which is 2 hours.
And 28 minutes, so they count as 3 hours always.
Okay.
So it's like pretty good actually. I
Nice
believe.
price. I mean, good price.
So,
Right, so we decided to go to the kind of the mall Galleria. I like shopping mall, so mall is the must.
alright.
Where we are in the Plaza Mayor.
Mejor.
Mejor or something like that. So there are so many shops and nice and Instagram worthy. I'll show you around.
Okay, let's go. First of all is the Starbucks. So many shops, open space, umbrellas. Airport is also nearby. And Starbucks, stuff like this on green. Alright, let's go.
Look at nice fountain. There are so many nice branded shop like product here, Armani, Michael Kors or something like that. There are so many.
Whatever, so
Yeah, good lah, whatever. Let's go there.
let's have a stroll. Also, Winnie has to see for the very, very first time Legend of Spain Mercadona. Zobacz.
So close.
So cool. Yeah, it's happy. That's how does it look like. Everything open space. I mean, not everything, but many.
Right, so I think that's our day in Malaga, right, Kohanye?
That's
And
a
then
thing.
I bought a mandarin in Mercadona. The mandarin on the street is really, really tempting, so I just decided to buy one. And yeah, I think that's all our video. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow or next time.
See you tomorrow
Another day in Spain.
in Spain. See ya.